Hello, so today we are going to talk about a new topic, and let me tell you, this topic is very interesting and relatable to our daily life, and I'll tell you later why. So, today we are going to talk about how to tell past experiences. But before we jump right into the next activity, I would like to tell about the learning objectives of this lesson. So, by the end of this lesson, the students are expected to be able to tell the structure and language features of text or discourse used to ask and to tell past experiences appropriately according to the context, as well as being able to compose written and or spoken text or discourse used to ask and to tell past experiences considering the social function, structure, and language features appropriately according to the context. Now, if we're talking about past experiences, in what context do we usually tell past experiences? Perhaps it is to tell unforgettable events, or a news report, childhood memories, travel journal, diaries, as well as daily talk. Before we talk about more about the daily talk that I have mentioned previously, let's sing a song. Let's sing along.
On the weekend, what did you do? Did you go to a party? Were your friends there too? On the weekend, what did you do? Did you go to the shops, buy something new? On the weekend, what did you do? On the weekend.
Now, from that song, we gain an expression. On the weekend, what did you do? And that expression is usually used in our daily talk, in our daily conversation. So let's apply that to our daily conversation today. On the weekend, I went to my aunt's house. So on the weekend, what did you do?